wondering where to take your family for the ultimate summer getaway? Follow me and let's tour one of the most exciting destinations in Houston, Great Wolf Indoor Water Park and Resort. This isn't just another water park, it's a family paradise thoughtfully designed to include everything other parks often miss. Come on, let's go. The moment you check in, you will see how much Great Wolf Lodge value family togetherness. Rooms are built to comfortably host up to 6 people, 6 family members, perfect for the father, mother, and up to 4 kids. Expect a double bunk beds for the little ones and a convertible couch bed so everyone sleep comfortably after a day of fun. It was fantastic. Right at the entrance, you will find a large screen where kids and parents can sit together to watch movies, dance, and enjoy engaging activities organized by friendly staffs of the Great Wolf Lodge. It's a place where strangers become friends and everyone feel welcome. I like to call it the family spot. That is another great place for you to have fun. Magic Quest Adventure really stand out as it turned the Great Wolf Lodge into a live action game where every child feel like a star. They will choose a special magic wand, top it with extra power, and set off on a quest. Kids can never get tired of this game adventure. It is so scintillating that even parents themselves can't ignore the fun. All children need to do to enjoy this game is a point at the specially designed game boxes scattered around the first floor of the building to enjoy this unstoppable fun. Kids will journey through the fantasy forest realms of the Lyra to save the sacred tree and the magic of the evergreen from a mysterious and shadowy force. Along the way, they will help the 4 tribes learn to cast powerful rings, battle powerful enemies, and eventually become a master magic. Children can take the wands home and continue this adventure during their family next visit to the park. It was so great. Children will always ask for more and more and more. More indoor fun. There are many other games for family to enjoy at this park that will make 24 hours go unnoticed. Like the olive mining coal, dig for where you dig for beautiful gemstones like a true treasure hunter. Likewise, the Ola's Peak Ropes course. Test your courage as you balance on the rope, cross bridges, and tackle obstacles, all safely secure in a harness. I tried it myself. A little bit scary, but so worth it. Then Teen Pond Alley, a family-friendly bowling alley where toddlers, teens, and adults can join in. They are all very, very interesting that you don't want to miss when you visit Wolf Water Park. And to the water park adventure, which is the heart of it all, the water fun. This we have Auto Cave Waterworks, Auto Spring, and I Pond Ola. Here you will see parents laughing just as their kids racing down slides, splashing in the pools, and enjoying every ride. You can hardly tell who is having fun more, dad or son, mom or daughter, because everyone is on the action. Everyone is running around. Everyone is having fun up and down, jumping from one ride to another, from one pool to another. It was fantastic. I really have fun to the fullest. Oh my God. You guys don't want to miss this great Wolf Water Park. Try it and you will thank me later. Whether you want to go there for the magic adventure, the thrill rides, or just to bond as a family, Great Wolf Indoor Water Park and Resorts offers a non-stop fun that will make 24 hours feel like a minute. If you are looking for a place where memories are made and laughter never ends, try this spot and you will thank me later. It's a very nice and fantastic place for you and your family to have fun this summer. Try it and you will thank me later. Great Wolf Lodge is one of the largest family indoor water park resort in North America, offering all under one roof vacation experience all year round for families. It was founded in 1997 in Wisconsin Dells. Great Wolf has grown into a beloved brand with over 20 resorts across the United States and Canada, plus several more under construction, including one coming soon in the United Kingdom. Family love Great Wolf Lodge as a wallet-friendly water park. You know, it's an alternative to big theme park like Disney World and many other around. So if you, instead of going to Disney, if you cannot afford to Disney World, or you want to have fun and you don't have money to go to Disney World, that the target, the plan of the owners of Great Wolf Lodge is that it should be an alternative, good and great alternative for you. And to be honest with you, with my experience over there, I can really say it's a very good alternative. So people like to go to Great Wolf Lodge Park because of its wallet friendly. That means it's not as expensive as Disney World.